Welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we have an exciting accessory for all you VR enthusiasts out there. The YRXVW Link Cable 16FT for Meta Oculus Quest 3 and Quest 2. This cable promises to enhance your VR gaming experience by providing uninterrupted power and data transfer.
Let's dive right in and see what it has to offer.
Point number 1. Charging while playing all day. The YRXVW Link Cable is designed with a 3-in-1 feature that adds a separate USB-C charging port to keep your Quest 2 powered up while you play. No more low battery warnings interrupting your gaming sessions.
With this cable, you can enjoy day-long continuous play with your battery close to 90%.
Moving on to point number 2, safe and fast charging. This cable incorporates a built-in Smart 2.0 chip that ensures balanced electricity and data synchronization. It supports 3.1A, 15W safe and fast charging, ensuring your VR headset stays powered up and ready for action. Fast data speeds also provide a smooth VR gaming experience, allowing you to enjoy your favorite Steam VR games all day long. Now, let's talk about point number 3. Longer cable for a more excellent VR game experience. The YRXVW Link Cable measures a generous 16 feet in length, giving you maximum freedom of movement with no restrictions. Whether you're immersed in a fast-paced VR game or exploring virtual worlds, this extended cable ensures you have the space you need to fully enjoy your VR experience.
Point number 4. Widely compatibility and durable build.
This cable is compatible with Oculus Quest 3, Quest 2, Quest Pro, and various VR headsets. It's a plug-and-play solution that's easy to set up. Moreover, the YRXVW Link Cable is built to last, with braided nylon material and premium zinc alloy joints. It can withstand at least 35,000 times of bending tests, ensuring durability and longevity.
Finally, let's discuss point number 5, how to connect the cable.
It's a straightforward process. First, plug the USB 3.0 end into your PC host. Then, connect the right-angle USB-C port into your Meta Quest 2 headset.
Finally, connect the straight USB-C end into a PD power port on your power supply.
This setup provides enough power to keep your headset charged during play. In conclusion, the YRXVW Link Cable 16FT for Meta Oculus Quest 3 and Quest 2 is a versatile and reliable accessory for VR enthusiasts. It offers the convenience of charging while playing, safe and fast charging, extended cable length for freedom of movement, wide compatibility, and a durable build. If you're tired of dealing with low battery warnings during your VR gaming sessions or want to maximize your freedom of movement, this cable might be just what you need. You can find it on Amazon for $23.99. Don't forget to check out the 10% coupon offer for extra savings. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next review.